Did you know that you could get a lot of money for simply using Gmail or Outlook? It's amazing. You can actually get a lot of money from Gmail or Outlook. I mean, you've been using Gmail or maybe Outlook, but you don't really make money from them. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money from either Gmail or Outlook. Now, this is absolutely easy to do. You don't have to worry about having any experience or any skills. All you need is a computer or a phone. Now, you don't need the most expensive device. Just an average computer or an average phone can work for you. Now, this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. There are no registration costs or anything like that. And what I love about this is that it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. If you're in America, Australia, South America, Africa, Europe, wherever you are from, even Asia, you can actually get access to this opportunity. All I need you to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step procedure that you need to take. I'm going to explain everything to you, so you just want to make sure that you don't skip the video. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so that you don't get confused. Now, before I show you the method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, subscribe. It's absolutely free to do so. You don't have to worry about paying to subscribe. It's free. Just subscribe, turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video for you to help you make more money online, you'll easily be able to watch my videos. So the website I want to show you today is called OfferVault. It's offervault.com. So OfferVault is basically a place where you can actually promote things for companies. Now, it looks a little bit confusing, but for example, here there's something you can promote and get $20, $21, $65, $5, $2.70, $3.50, $7, $35, $19, and so on and so forth. Now, it looks very confusing. When you're on this website, you might not know what to do, but let me tell you, it is absolutely easy to do. You don't have to worry about anything. There's nothing confusing about this. Just watch this video carefully, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to actually make the money. Now, before I show you the registration process and everything, I want you to know that there's an easy method for you to make money. Now, I want you to go over here and type in gift cards. So you want to type in gift card. So it's going to filter all the available items that you can promote that have to do with gift card. Now, you might see things with $38, $36, $2.10, $2.10, $2.50, and $36, and so on and so forth. Now, you might tell yourself you want to focus on the more expensive things, which means that you can get more money from this, but that would be the wrong thing to do. From what I've experienced, you can actually make much more money from focusing on items like these, where they'll only pay you $2.50. So don't focus on maybe something that will pay you $38, $36. Focus on something that will pay you $2.50, because you can easily make this kind of money repetitively throughout the day, and you can make much more than this. So for example, if we click over here on this one, it's PayPal 1000 gift card. So they're promoting an offer where they're going to give a winner $1,000 via PayPal. Now, all they want from you is to actually get people to join this offer and get their email address, get either their Gmail or their Outlook. So that's all they actually require over here. All they want from you is just to get people to join and get their email address. Now, every time this offer gets an email address from your link, you are going to get $2.50. So if you get about maybe 10 people who actually get this, you can get $2.50 times 10. So it just depends on how often you promote this product, and it's very easy to do because the people you are promoting to, they are not paying for anything. They just need to join and actually join with their email, and they don't have to pay to join, so it's absolutely free for them. So this offer, they just want their email, and they're going to pay you $2.50 each time they receive an email from your link. So now, how do you go about this? What you want to do is you want to join the network. So you want to click on join network. That's very important. So you just want to join. It's absolutely easy to do. Just put in your details, first name, last name, email address, and so on, address, all your information, which is absolutely easy to do. Now, the big question that you might ask yourself, how are you going to promote this? So you must first understand that when you see here countries and they say United States, they mean that they only want email addresses for the United States. It doesn't mean that you need to be in the United States to do this, but for this offer, they want email addresses from people in the United States. So it doesn't matter where you are from, but you just want to make sure that the email addresses that you get are from the United States. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. You first want to go onto Google. You want to make sure you go onto Google. And when you're on Google, you want to type in make money online forum. You want to make sure that you put in make money online forum. So make money online forum, and you're going to get with a list of forums where you can actually join and actually promote your link. Now, in order to make sure that these forums are from people in the United States, you want to go over here and click settings. When you click settings, you want to go into advanced search. So when you're on advanced search, you're going to see over here region. So you want to click region and you want to choose United States. So you want to scroll down and look for United States, as you can see over here. Then you want to do advanced search. So now it's going to filter all the forums according to the United States, so that you can actually get people from the United States that you can actually promote your link to. So you want to find anyone that you desire. You can just browse through them, and maybe whatever fancies your boat, you can just click on anyone you like. Now, I found one forum over here called Dime Forum. It's absolutely amazing. There are a lot of people, and they're from the United States, and they can actually, you can actually just promote your link through any of these forums, and anytime somebody joins, you're gonna get $2.50. So it is absolutely easy to do. As you can see, you can just go onto as many forums as you like. You can maybe choose a different one, and all you need to do is post your link to this product. Your link to this product, they're going to provide you with a link, and that's all you need to do. So it's absolutely easy. And you might ask yourself, oh, does it mean that everyone who joins is going to get $1,000? No. In fact, they only give this $1,000 to 2 people. So if they can get about 10,000 emails, they don't really lose. Because what they're giving out is less compared to what they're gaining. Because the more they have people joining, the more it benefits them. So this is how you can make some extra money for yourself. It's absolutely easy to do. As you can see, you don't need to stress about anything. You don't need to worry about maybe paying money to sign up or anything. You don't lose anything. The people who join don't lose anything. So it's just a gain situation. So this is what I want to show you today. It's called Offer Vault, and it's absolutely free. So I hope you take advantage of this opportunity and it works for you. If you have any questions that you need answered, just comment down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply you as soon as possible. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I upload my videos, you'll easily be able to watch them. And subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. And I hope you're having a good day, and I hope that you watch more of my videos, and I hope that everything works out for you according to your heart's desire. Thank you so much for watching, and Cheers.